As we go slowly progress in the study of the scriptures, without our effort, without any effort on our part other than diligently listening to the scriptures, studying the scriptures. There is no other thing to be done. If we study the scriptures and attend satsang regularly, with complete devotion, if we attend only this activity, then you will find that automatically those changes will take place in us which we all desire. All of us unknowingly we are desiring that we should be a very, very good soul. Truthfully, we are all desiring that. We all should be very, very good people. The goodness in us should glow. The goodness in us should glow such that the word goodness means prosperity also. The word goodness in us means prosperity. It means strength, Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti. And then Lakshmi Shakti, Shri Shakti also should be there. In all manners, everything, all the, the overall development of a human being takes place just by attending satsang. Just by listening to scriptures, just by studying the scriptures. Because here, there is no more prayer from our side to God that we want something. We don't ask anymore. We cease to ask, but we listen to the glory of God, and automatically from He starts, Paramatma, we keep ourselves open like an open book in front of Paramatma. And Paramatma already knows, but now there is another application from us. This application is not for anything, but for grace. And we seek grace not by asking for it, we seek grace only by listening to the glory of Paramatma. We just listen to the glory of Paramatma, or we read about the glory of Paramatma, then Paramatma has got no other alternative other than to be graceful upon us. That is the most beautiful way what the Rishis have shown us. So now we proceed to Hanuman's next activity. Hanuman has seen Mandodari, the most very, very beautiful person, and the consort of Ravana. She too is very, very beautiful and very divine personality. The moment Hanuman has seen her, the young person there, he feels that this could be Sita and he is rejoicing about that. Ekadasha Sargaha. Canto 11. Banishing by recourse to reason the thought that the lady whom he has seen was Sita, Hanuman searches for Sita once more in the gynecium as well as in the banqueting hall, and sees there are a number of women lying in various states as well as drinking vessels. He is seized with the fear of having incurred a sin of gazing on others' women, but the thought that he had looked on them with a lust-free mind eases his conscience. Very beautiful. Avadhuya chatam buddhim babhuva vasthhitastada jagama chaparam chintam Sitam prati mahakapihi Naramena viyukta sa Swaptumarhati bhamini Nabhoktum napyalankartum Napanamupasevitum Nanyam naramupasthatum Suranamapi cheshwaram Nahi Rama samah kaschit Vidyate tridasheshvapi Anyeyamiti nishchitya Bhuyastatra chacharasaha Tanabhumau harishre सीता संदर्शनोत्सुकः. Now Hanuman, after he has seen Mandodari, then Hanuman's viveka, wisdom starts working. Whatever he has heard about Sita Mataji, the wonderful commitment of Sita Devi towards Rama and Rama's dedication, Rama's complete resolve to be Ekapatni Vrata and Sita Devi Mata Lakshmi. So he has come to the conclusion that definitely the one whom he has seen cannot be Sita. The reason being, Sita would not even think of anybody else other than Ram, and whatever pleasures he has seen here being experienced, that is not the type of pleasure what Sita would indulge in. Those are not the types of pleasure. Therefore, he has concluded that it is not Sita Mataji. Kriditena paraklanta Gitena cha tatha para Nrityena cha paraklanta Anaviprahatasthata Murajeshu mrudangeshu Chelikasu cha sanstita Tathastarana mukhyeshu Samvishtascha parastriyah Angananam sahasrena Bhushitena vibhushanai Rupa sallapashilena Yukta gitartha bhashina Desha kalabhiyuktena Yukta vakyabhidhayina Ratadhikena sanyukta Dadarsha hariyuthapaha Anyatrapi varastrinam Rupa sallapashayinam Sahasram yuvatinam tu Prasuptam sadatarshaha Desha kalabhiyuktam tu Yukta vakyabhidhayitat Rata virata samsuptam Dadarsha hariyuthapaha Tasam madhye mahabahu Shushubhe rakshaseshwaraha Goshthe mahati mukhyanam Gavam madhye yatha vrishaha Sarakshasendra shushubhe Tabhi parivrita swayam Karenubhiryatharanye Parikirno mahadvipaha Sarvakamayrupetam cha Anabhumim mahatma महात्मनः ददर्श कपिशार्दूलः तस्य रक्षः पतेर्गृहे मृगाणां महिषाणां च वराहाणां च भागशः तत्र न्यस्तानि मांसानि पानभूमौ ददर्श सः रौक्मेषु च विशालेषु भाजनेष्वप्यभक्षितान् ददर्श कपिशार्दूलो मयूरान् कुक्कुटांस्तथा वराहवाद्रीनसकान् दधिसौ वर्चलायुतान् शल्यान् मृगमयूरांश्च हनुमानन्ववैक्षत कृकलान् विविधांश्छागान् चषकान् अर्धभक्षितान् महिषानेकशल्यांश्च मेषांश्च कृतनिष्ठितान् लेह्यानुच्चावचान् पेयान् भोज्यानन्युच्चावचानि च भोज्यानुच्चावचानि च तथाम्ललवणोत्तंसैर्विविधैरागखाण्डवैः महानूपुरकेयूरैः अपविद्धैर्महाधनैः पानभाजनविक्षिप्तैः फलैश्च विविधैरपि कृतपुष्पोपहारा भू अधिकां पुष्यति श्रियम् तत्र तत्र च विन्यस्तैः सुश्लिष्टशयनासनैः पानभूमिर्विना वह्निम् प्रदीप्तेवोपलक्ष्यते बहुप्रकारैर्विविधैर् वरसंस्कारसंस्कृतैः मांसैः कुशलसंयुक्तैः पानभूमिगतैः पृथक् दिव्या प्रसन्ना विविधा सुरा कृतसुरा अपि शर्करासवमाध्वीका पुष्पासवफलासवा वासचूर्णैश्च विविधैर् मृष्टास्तैस्तैः पृथक् पृथक् सन्तता शुशुभे भूमिर् माल्यैश्च बहु संस्थितैः हिरण्मयैश्च कलशैर् भाजनैः स्फाटिकैरपि जाम्बूनदमयैश्चान्यैः करकैरभिसंवृता राजतेषु च कुम्भेषु जाम्बूनदमयेषु च पानश्रेष्ठां तथा भूमिम् कपिस्तत्र ददर्श सः सोपश्यच्छातकुम्भानि सीधोर्मणिमयानि च तानि तानि च पूर्णानि भाजनानि महाकपिः क्वचिदर्धावशेषाणि क्वचित् पीतान्यशेषतः क्वचिन्नैव प्रपीतानि पानानि स ददर्शः क्वचित् भक्ष्यांश्च विविधान् क्वचित् पानानि भागशः क्वचिदर्धावशेषाणि पश्यन् वै विचचारः. This is a very beautiful description which is still going to continue of a place where a banquet has taken place. In the most modern sense also you can think, where a banquet takes place, where every single type of food stuffs are given, and also different types of beverages, alcoholic beverages, all are given, and everybody has participated. That is because it is the closest chamber of Ravana, so they should be provided with everything. So Hanuman has just seen all those things. He is going to proceed from there. Hari Om Tat Sat.